Crying when angry is a normal response that can be managed through mental and physical approaches. Talking about anger, focusing on positive events, and reflecting on emotions can help control tears. It's important to recognize that crying is a healthy emotional response and that there is nothing wrong with crying when angry. Mental grounding techniques, such as counting or engaging the senses, can help calm emotions. It's also helpful to acknowledge and name the feelings without judgment. Communicating directly with the other person about anger and avoiding blame can lead to productive conversations. Replacing negative thoughts with humor can stop tears, and focusing on positive thoughts can help remove oneself from the situation mentally. Reflecting on anger through writing can be beneficial, and seeking professional help is recommended if this issue is recurrent. Removing oneself from the situation, taking deep breaths, and walking away are effective ways to regain control and stop crying while angry.